Okay. Hi, good morning. My name is Ana Maria Moscote Dingula. How are you doing, students?
I'm fine, thanks.
I found
That's great. Today we are going to practice listening using short notes by the end of the lesson. You will be able to understand the main idea of a news audio, identify specific details, and express your opinion about the topic. Okay?
okay.
Um, Now, let's begin with a short activity. I will show you two new headlines. The first headline is this: Dog becomes mayor of small town. The image of this serum right now. The second headline is Sensei discovered water on Mars. After looking at this two news headlines, I want you to work with a pattern and decide whether its headline is true or false. Explain why. Okay?
I think the first one is false because it sounds unrealistic.
Okay.
I think that the first one is true because science are studying Mars.
Very good. Yes. First one is false, and the second one is true. This activity helps us think about news and activate on previous knowledges. Okay? Now are going to listen to a short news audio before listening and look at his headline. Now, technology helps students learn faster. Guys, what do you think the new will be about?
Maybe it is about new apps for computer.
Yes.
I think it is about online learning or technology in school.
Excellent ideas. You're making good predictions. Now let's review some keywords. Technology, students, learning, and improvement. Guys, repeat after me. Technology, students,
Technology,
Students
student,
learning,
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 improve.
improve,
improve.
improvement.
Student, very good. Remember, you don't need to understand every word. Try to focus on the general idea and use the context to understand the message. Okay? Now listen carefully to the audio and try to identify the main idea. Okay? What is?
Today, many schools and universities are using new technology in education. Students are using tablets, computers, and educational apps in the classroom. Teachers say this technology makes lessons more interesting and easier to understand. It also helps students learn faster and improve their learning experience.
Okay. What is in the news about?
It is about technology in education.
Uh-huh. Of more? Okay, very good.
Eh,
That is, yes,
it helps students learn faster.
very good. That is correct. The main idea is that new technology is improving the way students learn well done. Now listening again this time, paying attention to the specific detail, answer this question. Who using the technology? Where is being used? Okay?
Today, many schools and universities are using new technology in education. Students are using tablets, computers, and educational apps in the classroom. Teachers say this technology makes lessons more interesting and easier to understand. It also helps students learn faster and improve their learning experience.
What detail this you heard?
The students are using the technology.
Yes?
It is used in a school and university.
Excellent. Those are correct answer. Listening more than once help us understand better. Uh, Now let's discuss the topic. Do you think this technology is positive or negative?
I think it is positive because students can learn faster.
Yes,
I agree, but it can be difficult for some students.
good. I like you answer your awesome expression, like I think and I agree, which are very useful to explain opinions. Before we finish, think about these questions. What strategy helped you understand the audio?
Listening to times help with me understand better.
Okay,
Reading the topic before listening helped me.
excellent. These are very effective listening strategies. Remember to use them in future listening activities. And thank you for your participation. See you next class.
Thank you.
Teacher.
This strategy will help you become better listener and more independent learners. Thank you.